Welcome to Chennai Home Garden. 16 interesting facts about birds. Ravens.
Ravens are great at mimicking human speech and sounds.
Ostriches.
Ostriches have the largest eyes of any land animal.
Cardinals.
Cardinals like to cover themselves in ants.
Budgies.
Budgies catch each other's yawns.
Owl.
Owls devour their prey whole.
Ducks.
Some ducks sleep with one eye open.
Kiwi.
Kiwis are sometimes called honorary mammals.
Hummingbirds.
Most hummingbirds weigh less than a nickel.
Pigeons.
In ancient Greece, pigeons delivered the results of the Olympic Games.
Parrots.
Parrots can learn to say hundreds of words.
Bayesian thrushes.
Bayesian thrushes find food by farting.
Woodpeckers.
Woodpeckers herd acorns.
Meaning acorns.
The fruit of the oak tree, a smooth oval nut in a rough cup-shaped base.
Penguins.
The unique black and white coloring of penguins works as camouflage.
Meaning camouflage.
Protective coloring or other appearance that conceals an animal and enables it to blend into its surroundings.
Hawks and chicks.
Hawks and chicks are born with claws on their wings. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and ring the bell button for more notifications.
Thanks for watching.